Hello and welcome to Safe Stocks. I am Tanushree Banerjee, editor of Equity Master's Blue Chip Recommendation Service, Stock Select. Like I always do, my objective in this video is to declutter all kinds of corporate actions, market news, and their implications on your stock portfolio so that your focus is purely on the safety of your portfolio. Now, we have come a long way since March 2020 when a completely unexpected virus hit us like a bolt from the blue and stranded our lives as well as our financial assets in a lockdown. Literally, no one, not even the smartest fund managers in the world, expected the virus to cause a market crash that was the sharpest in decades. And almost 10 months later, we are at a juncture wherein a resurgence of the virus could erode stock market gains once again. So, what should you expect from the stock markets this time? And how should you prepare your stocks so that they could make the most of the COVID second wave, if any? I will answer that in this video. First, let's take a look at few numbers to put things in perspective. Like you can see here, the correction in March and April 2020 was the sharpest in decades. But what you must also take notice here is that in the historical instances of market crash, the first crash was followed by a sharp pullback, and then again there was yet another crash. In 2 out of the 3 cases, the second crash took the stocks below the level seen in the first crash, which means some patience to buy few stocks in the second crash, which were missed in the first round of correction, could have paid off brilliantly. But to do this, you need two things. One, surplus investable cash that you can deploy at the most opportune moment. And two, a wish list of well researched stocks that you can buy without delay. So, if you believe that the markets could react sharply to India's second COVID wave, whether or not there is a complete lockdown, go ahead and get prepared for it. But that's not the only scenario we must consider. For financial markets today are extremely interconnected. And thanks to FIIs, any unexpected development in global markets can have a huge impact on fund flows and stock prices in India. Case in point is the US elections and its impact on the US Fed policies. Even a change of president in the US may not reverse the Fed's low interest rate policy. And bigger COVID stimulus packages could mean more money chasing a handful of stocks in emerging markets, including India. So, if we look at India's market cap to GDP currently, we may still have some room before the indices peak out. And the third scenario could be that neither the markets react sharply to a second COVID wave in India, nor do they react to the liquidity inflows. But given how expensive the index valuations already are, investors committing fresh investments at the current juncture may have to settle for lower returns, even if their tenure is long term. Now that brings us to the question, how should you prepare your stocks for the COVID second wave, if any? Well, I would recommend taking a hard look at the stocks in your portfolio on three parameters: growth, return ratios, and valuations. The basket of stocks that seem cheap but offer low growth and negligible shareholder returns must be avoided. You may fall into value traps in case you get lured by the low valuations. Ones that are growing profits without adding to shareholder returns and trade at expensive valuations are good to exit, more so if the growth is coming on the back of borrowed capital. Stocks with good return ratios could be held on to or held with partial exposure, provided you are content with the management quality and are comfortable with the valuations. Ideally, following this matrix should allow you to take some profits off the table so that you can keep some cash buffer to act on a correction. All this while, please keep in mind that your overall asset allocation to equities should be in line with the suggested matrix. And please do not go overboard with your allocation to a single stock. For more such updates on safe stocks and asset allocation, please sign up for Equity Masters' free newsletter, The Profit Hunter. I will look forward to your views and feedback in the comment section of this video. Take care. Thank you.